The dental pathway provides students with knowledge and skills needed to pursue careers in dentistry, beginning with an introduction to health and medical science. In ninth grade, students learn healthcare basics, terminology, anatomy, and professional skills. In 10th grade, they expand their foundation through medical terminology, gaining the language needed for patient care. By 11th grade, Dental Careers 1 introduces students to dental professions and entry-level skills. In 12th grade, Dental Careers 2 advances training with topics such as dental radiology, oral pathology, pharmacology, and advanced lab techniques. Students also complete internships in dental offices or public health settings and are eligible to sit for national certification exams, preparing them for careers as dental assistants or further study in dentistry.
The nurse aid pathway prepares our students for healthcare careers through a 4-year progression of courses. Beginning with an introduction to health and medical science in 9th grade, our students explore healthcare careers, terminology, anatomy, emergency care, and professional skills. In 10th grade, they build a strong foundation in medical terminology, learning the language of patient care. By the 11th grade, students enter Nurse Aid 1, gaining hands-on training in patient care, vital signs, CPR, infection prevention, and professional nursing skills under the Virginia Board of Nursing guidelines. In the 12th grade, Nurse Aid 2 advances clinical skills and real-world healthcare experiences, preparing students to care for surgically, chronically ill, and elderly patients. Completion of the pathway qualifies our students to take the National Nurse Aid Assessment Program, opening the door to careers in nursing and other health professions.
HOSA is one of our career and technical student organizations that is curriculum-driven. It's student-led, but there is also a piece of teacher advising. One of the missions in HOSA is to empower our future healthcare professionals through developing their leadership skills, developing their technical skills, by engaging them in their core 4 values to lead, to learn, to serve, and to motivate. We serve our community through volunteer hours. We have participated in areas such as the Crop Walk. We have done fundraisers for our local American Cancer Association here in Danville. We have walked and volunteered at the Bridge to Bridge. Our goal here at George Washington High School's Nurse Aid chapter and dental chapter HOSA is to provide our students, both in the dental and the nurse aid program, with the opportunities to become HOSA leaders and to learn, lead, and serve, and continue to motivate them to be better leaders within our community.
About a year ago, our region received some funding to establish something called the Southern Virginia Partnership for Health Sciences Careers. This is a collaborative model where we're bringing together employers, we're bringing together our education partners to think about career pathways that would support health sciences careers. We want to be very clear with students about if they're interested in a healthcare career, how they can start that with Danville Public Schools through their career and technical education programs. They are work ready once they leave Danville Public Schools, but if they're interested in continuing their education, we want to be very clear with them about that pathway. So how they then continue on, if they are interested in registered nursing or being a dental hygienist, where they can go for that education, and those certifications could then articulate and move into a bachelor's in nursing, how they could come to AVERT or other organizations where they might be able to get that higher education or industry certification if they are interested in those pathways.